Today I am going to show you a free version of data recovery software, which is called icare Data Recovery. Using this free version you can recover up to 1 GB. If you want to recover more than it, you have to go for paid version. Personally I recommend, this is one of the best data recovery softwares available in the market. Using this data recovery software, you can recover data from SD memory cards, USB pen drive, hard drive and any external storage. It supports deleted file recovery, recovery after reformat, and raw drive recovery. First we will see how to download and install icare Data Recovery. To download, you have to go to icare Data Recovery website. You can find the link in the description. You have to select icare Pro Free under Product Editions and click on Download Free. After download you have to extract. Then follow the steps to install. After open icare Data Recovery application you will see this interface. From here you have to select deleted file recovery, or deep scan recovery, or raw drive recovery. Here you can see that I have connected a USB pen drive and it's formatted. Now I want to recover files from the USB pen drive. So I am selecting deep scan recovery. From options you can choose the file types that you want to recover. Then you have to select a drive or partition. As soon as you click Next, it will start recovery. Here I am not going to run recovery for too long. So I am going to cancel and show you whatever recovered. And you have to click Next. Here you can see the recovered files from USB pen drive. By following method you can recover the files that you want. You can see the files are recovered successfully. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more useful videos.